Guys, welcome back to the channel. This is the first official video. Well, no, the first video is the first official. This is the first video after the introduction video of the channel. I will be opening up the first batch of silver I bought online while I drank too much whiskey. I bought this from APMEX. This was the first purchase I made. It wasn't the best experience. It was a mixture of, I guess, me not understanding how they ship and where they ship. But there was, you know, a little bit of confusion, a little frustration. Long story short, your address that you ship stuff to has to be identical to the billing address of the bank you use. I haven't had that problem because I don't ship stuff to where I live, but it's never been a problem in the past. This is really the first time I encountered an issue like that, probably because they're shipping silver, precious metals. But I did order from another company that same night, and they shipped it to where I wanted it, no questions asked. So maybe this APMEX purchase was partially my fault, partially, I don't know. Either way, I did get what I ordered, I hope. We're going to open this up and find out. Now, I look back at my receipt because I honestly didn't remember what I ordered after the fact. I looked at it. I ordered a 1 gram bar of gold at spot price at the time. And 2 silver eagles, I think it said random year, and a silver bar of some kind. Like I said, I completely bought all this stuff while I was drinking whiskey by the fire. So we'll see what it looks like. Kind of excited, never bought anything like this before. I do have a lot of coins from my childhood. Nothing really like this. So one thing I will point out, the shipping is very discreet. Like, it doesn't say, hey, there's gold and silver in this box. It just says distribution and the city it comes from. So that's pretty good. It's not, you don't see this and know that there's silver and gold in it, which is very good. Oh, all right. Got the receipt. All right. Oh, of course, there's an ad on it for the bullion card, which is a credit card they offer. Maybe I'll talk about that in a different video. Maybe I'll get that credit card so I just make a video about it. I don't know, we'll see. Anyway, 1 gram gold bar, secondary market at spot. At the time, spot price was $78.71. I got 2 1-ounce American Silver Eagle coins, random year at spot, and a 5-ounce cast poured silver bar from Pioneer Metals. That was not at spot. Judging, yeah, that was definitely not a spot. That's okay. Anyway, let's take a look. Oh, wow. All right, a 1 gram, I didn't realize how small this was. A 1 gram gold bar is extremely small. There it is. That is tiny. I didn't realize how small it was. I mean, that's smaller than a pinky fingernail. All right. Kind of neat. I thought this came in a card of some kind. I guess not. I can't even read it. 1 gram fine gold, 4 9s. All right. Interesting. I don't know if this was a good purchase or not. Kind of cool. I've never actually owned, other than like jewelry and a watch or something, I've never actually owned gold. We gotta be careful with this. I don't want to lose it. Here are the silver eagles. What year? 2010 and a 2023. That's kind of pretty. That's pretty rare. That's actually kind of cool. They're both. There's nothing special with the packaging. It's just plastic bags. Focus. 2010 American Silver Eagle. I didn't expect it to be that old. I like it. 2023. Is it the exact? Are they pretty much exactly the same? Yeah, they're exactly the same. Oh no, this one. Oh, that's right. Because they changed the silver eagles. I did read that. I'm not an expert, but yeah. Okay, so they're just different. I like it. There's the 2023. There it is. It's got the different back on it. I guess I'll have to do my research because I don't really know when they changed them. But that's pretty cool. I do like that, how they're different years spread pretty far apart, and they're 2 different types of coins. I like it. Awesome. And a 5-ounce cast poured silver bar from Pioneer Metals. That's kind of cool. Little heft to it. It's in a shrink wrap bag. Pioneer 5 2 ounces, 3 9s, fine silver. And it's just information on the back. APMEX SKU. All right. Yeah, I guess I don't really know what I was expecting. The coins are cool because I've had some silver eagles in the past. just like this, but mine are in cases though. Very cool. This is kind of throwing me. I guess I didn't know exactly how big or, well, I can't even focus. It just sees me through the plastic. I guess I didn't realize, I want that focus again. Oh, whatever, it sees my face. That's how small it is. I didn't realize how small a gram of gold was until now. That is super tiny. That's actually kind of funny. But I did buy this. When I bought this gram of gold, I think gold was under $2,000 an ounce, and right now it's over $2,500. So I think technically this has gone up in value since I bought it. Pretty neat. And the Silver Eagles, they were $28.64. That was spot price then. Since then, I think silver went down below that, and right now it's at 29. Like a week ago, it was over 30, I think. Cool. All right, guys, that's going to do it for the unboxing of my journey into silver stacking. I don't know if I'm excited. I don't know. I guess I wouldn't really know what I was expecting. I do like the coins. I do like this little bar. That's pretty cool. The gold, this is killing me. It's so funny how small that is. Let me know in the comments how I did. Did I do good? Did I do bad? Was I foolish? I don't know. I guess we'll find out. Thanks for watching, guys. Leave some comments in the video. Subscribe to the channel. Like the video. All that good stuff. Hopefully, I'll see all you guys at the next video. Thank you.